Sanibonani bafana bakithi. I am here to to enlighten you a little bit. Abantu abaningi basaba ukuphila impilo yabo because abantu bazothini. I am here to tell you ukuthi I grew up just like omunye nomunye umuntu nje ongasuka umcabange kulele emakhaya ngilusa inkomo nezimbuzi umuntu nje njengabanye abantu, and then I was privileged ukuthi mangiphuma esikoleni azange ngiye to any sort of a college, ngaza eGauteng ngafika ngazabalaza umsebenzi, ngizenzile into eningi, ngikhule njengawo wonke umuntu, but I was privileged to differentiate. Ngashesha ngakhula engqondweni, ngabona ukuthi akunampilo ngaphandle kokusindiswa, and then ngabuya ngasindiswa. And now the different manje la ukuthi mina I don't live impilo yomunye umuntu, ngiphila impilo yami, I'm being myself, and angifuni ukuconvincewa otherwise. Ngiyekeni mina ngibone uNkulunkulu ngendlela engimbona ngayo, and into ngifuna nje ukuzoyisho namhlanje la kini ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona uyaphila, uJesu inkosi nomsindisi, there's no doubt about that. And ngaphandle kwalokho ungayiphili impilo yomunye umuntu, ungaphili impilo ezojabulisa omunye umuntu, as long as you know ukuthi ungubani uNkulunkulu kuwe, and then ama revelations akunikeza wona are so valid, go for it. That is why mina indlela yami yokukhuthaza nendlela yami yokushumayela, it's way too different kwilezi zabanye abantu. Abanye abantu basaba ukuphila nabantu because they claim ukuthi abantu bazothini, bangibona ngihamba nabahedini, abantu abangasindisiwe, abantu abangasonti. It's not about a church. It's not about a church building. It's all about the purpose leyo uNkulunkulu akubizele yona. So I am here to tell you guys ukuthi ngizenzile mina into eningi. Wenzile konke, ngaba yi-hardcore, ngaba yinika, ngayehlisa amabhruku, ngenza konke lokho. I used to be a hardcore. You know what I'm saying? Ngizenzile mina into eningi, but into engizokutshela yona ukuthi ekugcineni ungafi ungakasindiswa. You know, kunenkulunkulu ezolweni, kunomusa, and ukusindiswa akusho ukuthi hlukana nabantu ebekade uphila nabo, unless otherwise you are not strong enough to resist impilo abayiphilayo. Ungaphila nabantu, ungaphili into abayiphilayo, kodwa uphile nabo, bona ekugcineni bagcine baconvert babe yilento wena ufuna babe yiyo. Introduce them kuNkulunkulu. Mina I still go emathaveni ngiyodlala isnooker, and then umunye umuntu angathi ngimbonile bekashumayela nini sembona esethaveni. Chill, take a chill pill. Ngibizwanga ngendlela yakho, ngibizwe ngendlela yami, ngendlela uNkulunkulu angisebenzisa ngayo, and angifuni ukuphilela omunye umuntu, but into ezokutshela yona nayi uJesu inkosi nomsindisi, full stop. There's nothing engihlukanisa nothando lukaNkulunkulu. But then at the end of the day, you are a human being. Jabula nomkakho, jabula nabantwana bakho, phila impilo to the fullest. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? So boys, there's life, but do not forget kunoNkulunkulu ezulwini.